Mastering the Mighty Period, the Unsung Hero of Punctuation. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most fundamental elements of English punctuation, the period. It may seem simple, but understanding its proper use is key to conveying clear and precise meaning in your sentences. Let's jump right in. The period, also known as the full stop in some countries, is a small dot placed at the end of a sentence. Its primary function? To signify the end of a statement or declarative sentence. It tells the reader, this thought is complete. 1. Statement endings. Whenever you finish a statement, put a period. 2. Example. She went to the store. 3. Abbreviations. Some abbreviations require a period. 4. Example. Dr. Smith, USA, etc. 5. Indirect questions. Even if the sentence is derived from a question, if it's indirect, use a period. 6. Example. He wondered whether she was home. Note: don't use periods with exclamation points or question marks. These punctuation marks have their own rules. 1. Multiple periods. It's not standard to use multiple periods at the end of a sentence in formal writing. However, in casual or digital communication, an ellipsis can be used to indicate a trailing off thought or suspense. 2. Periods with other punctuation. If your sentence ends with an abbreviation that requires a period, don't add an additional period. 3. Correct. I visited Washington, D.C. for. Incorrect. I visited Washington, D.C. In the age of texting and online chat, you might see periods being used to convey different meanings. 1. Ending a statement. As always, it indicates the end of a statement. 2. Example. That's great. 3. Conveying seriousness or annoyance. Sometimes, a period can indicate a more serious tone. 4. Example. Fine. Remember, the context is key. Be aware of how your use of periods might be interpreted, especially in brief digital messages. And that wraps up our dive into the world of the period. It might be small, but it certainly is mighty. By mastering its usage, you can ensure your statements are clear and your writing is polished. We hope this video has been illuminating, and as always, happy writing!